bagay before natin ask ko, ano ba talagang purpose? No? Everyone here, you can ask yourself, ano ba purpose nito? Did you ever ask yourself na what's your purpose? Kasi yung purpose ko is later part ko na nakaraman eh. Kaya na nag-struggle pa naman ako sa career ko. May purpose. Ano ba talaga running my life towards the end of the day. So, yeah. So, I just want to give you some mga points of view, hoping it could help every day. Kasi wala pa tayo ibang may tapos ito, diba? Opportunity. Nakataon naman sa ito, the door is open for us. Diba? Opportunity depends how you work it. The opportunity na pwede mong bukakot. Diba? So, kami, ako, just want to lang, yung mga, just want to share every now and then. Kasi, I am also coaching na tao, nag-coach ko sa kuya. Ang araw ko lang ng inon, yes, matrabaho ako, gusto ko lang kumita. Yun ang bottom line. Need to work for money. To push through, look for a big player. Kung it's not too late, ako sabi ko kasi later part ko na alam ko anong purpose ko. If I try to intend to work for money, hindi ko, that time, ang thinking ko, gusto ko magtrabaho para sa kwarta. No, that's, bako siya pala tama. Expose ko naman how work. Then, two things talaga if may isang tao, you met a person na good provider, then ika is a good handler. That's a good combination. Kasi bawal talaga makakutugin ko yun. In a way, kung sobra-sobra, understand mo? Kasi na kung inakay mo with the golden spoon, diba? Yung with the golden spoon, na wak-wakino, diba? Walang problema. Mas hindi yung trabaho, mas hindi rin kumpanya. Pero mas hindi rin sa kumpanya, grabe pa ang pag-multinda, ang oras, napaka-importante. So if you want to push through, no, you need to invest talaga, honestly. You need to invest talaga. Kasi at some point, kung ano naman yan, sa career, sa lire, whatever what you wanted to, ano ba gusto mo, ano ba magiging linyada mo, no. First thing first, try to build yourself. Try to read books, even though I hate books. No. It's choice. Choice mo kung magurang kang nakapuglan. Pagnaurang sa mundo. Okay? So yun nga every now and then, sabi ko, walang mo mamahiling na organization, maski mag-log ka sa company, they didn't even give you a training or giving you a rank. Talking yung gusto mo Bakupad lang buhay kung abo mo consistent. Every day kasi dapat you have change. Every day you have notes. Every day dapat people may accomplish ini. Please, yun ang pinaka-main agenda lang is try to invest yourself if you want to push